Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. We are looking at Plug Power today. There's a big warning on Plug Power. We have broken some very important resistance, and I'm going to be telling you how far down I think it's going to go, where I would be buying it, is there a possible trade for Plug Power, and where I would be selling it. But very, very important news to bring to you now. We're looking at Plug Power. Remember, everything I say in this video is not financial advice, it's just my opinions. We've been very successful trading Plug Power. We bought it at $2.40. You can see previous videos, and we sold at $5. That was a trade that took us about 121% up. We did the same trade a few times. This upwards trending trend line. We bought it at $2.30, and then we had a profit taking at $3.50. We didn't take the full advantage of where it went back up to $5, but we made a nice 54%. And then we tried it again, but a little bit less successful. Obviously, there was 49% to take profit from. 49% to take profit from, but we didn't hit the target. But I always say, if you make 49% in about a week, then you might as well take your profits. But now we're looking at the future. Enough of the past. What's happening now? We're breaking that very important trend line. We did, to be fair, hit it 3 times, and we didn't continue the uptrend. So if you keep knocking at that door will come down. What's going to happen now? If you want to find out, please just take 1 second to hit that like button. I'm trying to get to 100 likes on this video. Let's see if we can make it happen. If you do enjoy the Plug Power content, leave me your thoughts down below. And if you just take 1 second to hit that like button, that would be greatly appreciated. So I'll wait for you to do that. Okay, now I'll tell you what I think is going to happen. Unfortunately, because we've broken this trend line, it's a very important trend line. We've had now about 4, 5, 6 touch points on this level. This was the trend that was keeping us to the upside all the way from 2013, when we hit all-time lows at about 8 cents current price. What's going to happen now? I think this is going to accelerate to the downside. The RSI is not oversold. The RSI is sat in the bearish control zone. And the MACD, which is important to look at the momentum, I assume is coming to downside, and it is. When that turned red, and that's going to be some AI bots triggered to sell Plug Power. There's not too much support levels at the levels we're at now. There'll be a few bounces in this downtrend. Maybe at 189 there might be a bounce, and then we have to see if the price will continue going down, or just have a small rebound and continue going down, or if it's going to be a larger area to change. I believe this trend is going to be to the downside, so we might have small bounces at these levels where you can trade, but not really a buy zone. Then we have 134, which could be a level that will start hitting on the downside, and then eventually 11 cents. I mean, this stock has shown us lower highs and lower lows, meaning the trend is to the downside. We tried to show a bottoming out structure, tried to keep the trend to the upside, and we didn't. And now we've broken key support with the weekly time frame. And the daily time frame is not looking good either. Stop losses are going to be triggered for people at these levels. Short sellers are going to get involved. Looking at the 4 hours, the momentum is to the downside. Yes, we might have small bounces, but the RSI is not suggesting that. The daily RSI is sat at 36. So this is a quick video just to bring to your attention. Be careful with Plug Power. Buy levels 197, 134, and 11 cents. So you have to. Don't go all in on this stock. Don't use margin for this stock, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but the trend is continuing to the downside. The accumulation didn't work, and it looks like we have lower levels to hit on Plug Power. There will be more playlists up here and more videos for you over here to have a look at. If you have any other questions or thoughts, leave them in the comment section below. But until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.